So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find virtual disk. Just scroll down until you find virtual disk. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in cmd. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.